Oh my gosh, the fallout. What's up, beauties? If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on tomorrow's video. I am so excited. Today I am doing a Christmas red glam look for you guys, so I'm really excited. I've been doing a lot of favorites videos. We're going to be doing some different tutorials, so just get ready for it. I'm feeling a lot more motivated than I was before, so before I keep rambling on, we are going to get right into this. So I'm going to take a damp Shop Massé sponge. This is just their Wonder Blender sponge. I'm taking on my MAC paint pot, and I'm just going to dab that all over my eyelids. I hope everybody is having a fantastic month of December so far. I am just so excited to really get back into a filming schedule, so let me know, what do you guys think of the schedule so far, and what do you guys hope to see coming up? So now that I have that done, I am going to use my saffron palette from Up Beauties to start off because, well, it's got some red shades. So when I think of Red Glam, this is the palette, I'm sorry, I keep blinding you. This is the palette that really does kind of call to me a little bit more. So for example, like Paprika, oh, can't wait to get that on my eyes. So it's a really nice red. So I am using my Moda Pro brush, which I actually did talk about this in I think my last video, being one of my favorite eyeshadow brushes at the moment. Just coating my brush. So I have used this palette before, and I have used this shade, but this one's just a little bit more, it's just not as wow, like pigment that I kind of, when you look at it you think it would be, but you really kind of do have to build the color up, which is fine. I am okay with that. I know that there are just some shadows that are a little bit quicker. I'm okay with this one though. I really like this color. Oh yeah. I really like that.
So I hope everyone's having a great month so far.
Alright, so now we have the first shade down. I'm going to use the same brush. We're going to go in with the shade Ginger, which is actually a matte white shade. I'm just going to take that around the edges just to kind of smooth everything out. Just lightening it up, just blending everything out really, really nicely. All right. Now I'm going to go in with a different brush. This is one of my AOA Studio brushes, and I'm now going to go in with the shade Cinnamon, which I did really enjoy this shade the last time. So we're going to take that, and now I'm going to just build that color around the red. Now I'm not going to go as high as the initial one. I do want to keep it a little bit lower. All right. Now going in with my Morphe brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Clove. Whoop, there it is. And I'm going to take that and I'm just going to deepen up the outer edge and really kind of pack that color on.
Going in on the other side, Just doing the same thing, just tapping it in. Blending, blending, blending as we go.
I'm building the color up, just kind of make it a little bit smoky.
The wind is freaking nuts.
So next I'm going to go in with a flat shader brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, this shade right here, Sarso, I'm going to take that on a brush, a flat brush, and I'm going to focus that on the inner portion of my eyelid. And I'm just going to pack it on like this. The one thing about this shade is it's kind of crumbly, and I am having fallout, which I will have to clean up because I've already done all of my face makeup, so that is a disappointing part of this. You could use really any shade that is similar to this. I just chose this palette because I have used it before, and I really kind of wanted to see if I could come up with a more complex look. It's not going on very well with a brush, so I am going to use my finger. And I'm gonna just see if that, yeah, that's better. So much better. Some shadows just perform very differently with a brush or with your finger. All right. All right, so that was the first shade. It is all over my hands. That is super awesome. No, it's not. Next, I am gonna go in with turmeric. Turmeric. Oh, it's very gold. I'm just gonna clean that up just a little bit. And I am going to highlight my inner corner now using coriander, which is just this nice shimmery white, delightful looking shade right here. Just taking that on the inner corner. Just highlight a little. You know, this is Christmas glam, man. You gotta go for all of it. Shade right here is a lot less crumbly than the other two shimmer shades that I used from this palette. I am gonna go in with cinnamon and clove, just mix the two shadows together, and I am going to just dust that lightly under my lower lash line. These shadows are stiff. That is one thing I will tell you. Now that I've kind of worked them down, so I'm just going to take a clean, fluffy brush that I use for powder sometimes and just dust under, make sure everything's smooth. We're going for a line today. We're gonna go we're going for a winged liner today. Wow, my brain is just like mush. By the way, what do you guys think of today's outfit? I love it. It's Christmas lights. However, it's kind of big on me. Like, this was last year and I've lost weight since last year. My husband actually has a matching one, but they don't fit us. But I was like, I'm wearing it for this video because it's like a long sleeve. It's a dress. I should do like an Instagram picture of this dress. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down below. So this is my Hank and Henry liner, and because we're glamorous, we're going for it. Nothing too dramatic. Other side. All right. Next, we will go in with mascara. This is a mascara that I haven't been using a lot lately, but I am going to use it right now. This is my Essence Volume Hero Mascara. I haven't used this in like so long. It's in Black Hero or Power Black. I don't know why I said that. I don't know why I read that wrong. It is in the shade Power Black, so I'm just going to quickly curl my eyelashes. And I'm just going to pop this on really, really quick. All right, and I am just gonna pop off camera real quick, fix up the rest of my face, and I will be back in just 1 second. And we are back. So this is my final look for my Red Glam Christmas Lights, whatever this is supposed to be. So I am actually very excited about the way that this look was created. I don't know how much I am actually loving this palette that I used for this, but the final result I'm really excited for. I will say that my favorite shade that I did use from this palette is turmeric, which is this one, which is right here, and I really do like. It's like a pop of gold. I have another look coming that I do want to use that shade for, so get ready to see it. And also let me know, have you tried this palette and what are your thoughts on it? A little bit of fallout, but we were able to fix that up, no problem. I did top off my lips using my Deck of Scarlet lipstick and my Essence lip line. And let me know in the comments below, do you like this type of idea for a Christmas vlogged video, or do you just not like it? So let me know, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I absolutely love you guys.